Alright, so for this question, luckily for us, in between the two polynomials, there's an addition sign, which means that we don't have to touch any of the signs inside either bracket, which is perfect. So, by explaining the brackets, all we do is just remove them. So x squared plus 3x minus 1 plus x squared minus 4x plus 2. The next step is we have to find the like terms, and we have to put them beside each other, which makes it easier for our final step. So, if we see an x squared, another x squared, so we put them beside each other. We see a 3x, perfect. And then we see a minus 4x, so we put them side by side. And then finally, for the constants, we see a minus 1 and a plus 2. Alright, that sums up the second step. For the final step, all we have to do is collect like terms. So we see an x squared and x squared, it makes 2x squared, right? Then we see a plus 3x minus 4x, that's just minus x. And then we see a minus 1 plus 2, which gives us plus 1. And this is our final answer.